Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook page. So this is an example of our Facebook page and we will see how to delete this. So let's get started. Now all you have to do is to tap that menu settings or that menu icon on the bottom right corner of your phone. So let's tap on it. Then next is to tap that gear icon on the upper right corner for you to be directed to your search settings or your page settings. Then under Facebook page information, tap access and control. And from there, you'll be able to see the activation and deletion process. Now, if you wish to deactivate or delete your Facebook page, then you can proceed to these two options, deactivating or deleting your page. And if you wish to continue, tap continue. And then you have to type in your password for you to enable that process or deactivate successfully your Facebook page. So if this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.